Hey guys, you might not like this, but this is supposed to be a YouTube promotional video. I'm not going to promote it because I don't have much money. And never mind. Well, anyway, I hope you like it. It's supposed to be kind of funny. Okay, with the lyrics right here. Okay. Whew.